In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use charts to compare data in Oracle Analytics. I can compare data by attribute or over time with the appropriate chart depending on what I want the visualizations to show. In this workbook with sales data, I have two visualizations comparing product categories across a few items and a quantity ordered across many items. I can make the multi-item comparison easier to read by turning it into a horizontal bar chart through the grammar panel. This makes the axis labels more legible and easier to read for my analytics consumers. I can use additional elements to show a comparison in bar charts. In this chart, I'm comparing quantity ordered through the thickness of the bars, while the x-axis shows the profit margins for each product subcategory, and the product categories are categorized by color. I can use small multiples or trellis columns to compare multiple sets of bar charts to each other. In this example, I have 4 bar chart sets, each denoting quantity ordered for furniture, office supplies, and technology. These charts share the same y-axis, allowing me to compare quantity ordered across different customer segments. Comparison can also be shown over time. In this visualization, I'm tracking profit over 2 years using a line chart. I can track seasonality or periodicity. This visualization shows which months have the most profit over a period of a few years using the order, date, time dimension, and the x-axis. I can also compare multiple values or measures in the same line chart. In this visualization, I compare profit, discount, sales, and shipping cost over the same time period. A bar chart can showcase periodicity by comparing profit across different weekdays based on order dates. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics in the links below.